Hello, this is Pete Cacciopi. I'm Chief Scientist at Applytics, and this is video number 5 in the series of tutorial videos that follow the Gurobi webinar on machine learning and optimization. So just as a quick review, in video number 3, we created this application that's capable of doing predictions. We did this by training a historical data table and publishing a predictor object as an application. And in video number 4, we uploaded a Python file that defined its input schema with tictat. So if we, and this Python file that we uploaded in video 4 is focused on just doing optimization only. So in this video, we'll be connecting these two apps that we built together to create one application that first performs a prediction and then performs an optimization. So let's see how that works. So to dig in here a little bit, the reason why this sort of magical step can be done so quickly is because both of these two applications know their schemas. They have published their input schemas. So for the predictor application, its schema was remembered when it was trained on the historical table. For the optimization application, its schema was defined by tictat here in these lines here. Now, as a consequence, the Applytics Cloud Platform is able to make it very easy for us to connect these two applications together. And this is demonstrating a principle of software engineering, that if you build two robust components, it's relatively easy to connect them together. So this new application we're building is called Predict, then Optimize. First we select our predictor, and then we select our optimization engine. And then we select the column that needs to be predicted as a prerequisite to performing the optimization. So the optimization engine needs the sales column in the forecast sales to be predicted by the predictor object. Now let's save all that work. And we have a nice schema here, a schematic diagram of the schema to demonstrate how the connected application will work. So this application, Predict and Optimize, will run by first performing this predictor step and then performing this optimization step. Input data to predict and optimize is defined here with these tables. As you can see, it's very similar to the input tables that you need for just the optimization piece, but the difference is the forecast sales table, instead of having a sales column, has these additional independent columns from which sales can be predicted. When the predictor runs, it captures all of these independent columns from this table, performs the prediction to create the dependent column, and then that dependent column is used to populate the sales column. And then, of course, product and cost are the same product and cost that we use as independent variables in the prediction. Now let's see how this works in practice. So again, here's the project we made in video 2. We trained on the historical data set to find the right algorithm, and then we created the predictor object. When we published the predictor object, we created this application. And for video 3, it's an app that only performs predictions. And then in video number 4, we loaded a Python script that only performs an optimization. Now that we've connected them all connected these last two together, we can demonstrate how a predict and then an optimization occurs automatically. So here again, I'm returning to the machine learning sort of promotion directory. And if you can refer to video 1 on how to create this directory that has all these example data files. You want to connect it to this predict and optimize application that we just put together. And as you'd expect, the input data set looks very similar to the input data set in video 4, except that this forecast sales table, instead of having a sales column, has all these other independent columns that help us predict sales. And then when we hit run, we'll be performing a prediction step and then performing an optimization step. And as expected, here it computes our total KPIs. It's very nearly meet the total investment. Here's the reports. And it shows us which products are kept at the normal price and which are discounted. So that concludes this series of 5 videos. I thank you for your attention. And if you have any questions at all about how this all works, or if you'd like to partner with Oplytics, please contact me at pcachope@oplytics.com, or you can also reach me at ticdat@oplytics.com. Thanks for your time.